Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset Instagram passwords if forgotten. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. If you've forgotten your Instagram password and can't log in to your account, don't worry. Resetting your password on an iPhone is easy and only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Instagram app. I'm going to log out of this Instagram account. And I'm going to delete the login info. You'll be taken to the login screen. Entered your email, username, or phone number. Now, since you can't remember your password, look for the option that says Forgot Password. Tap on that. Next, you'll be asked to enter your username, email address, or the phone number that's linked to your Instagram account. If you're not sure which one to use, try entering your Instagram username. That usually works best. But now I will enter my email address. Then tap Next button. Instagram will then check your details and offer to send you a verification code. This code can be sent either to your email or via SMS text message, depending on what you registered with. Now, go to your Mail app or Messages app, depending on how you chose to receive the reset link. Open the message from Instagram, and you'll see a code to verify your account. Then, copy the code. Now, paste the code in the box. Then click Continue. And click Save to save login info your account. You'll be taken to a secure page where you can enter a new password for your Instagram account. Make sure to choose a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it secure. Once you've entered, tap Continue. And that's it. You'll be redirected back to Instagram, now logged in with your new password. From here, you can go straight to your home feed and continue using Instagram like normal. If you don't receive the password reset, email, or message, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Also, double-check that you're entering the correct email or phone number that's linked to your Instagram account. Remember to save your new password somewhere safe, or better yet, use a password manager so you never lose it again. That's how you reset your Instagram password on an iPhone. Simple, quick, and secure.